How to delete your Xbox account permanently. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your Xbox account permanently. So let's begin. First, just go to xbox.com, and after you go to it, just log into your account. After you do so, tap on your profile icon on the top right and go to My Microsoft account. After you tap on My Microsoft account, you'll be redirected to your Microsoft account settings. Now under here, what you'll need to do is tap on your profile here. After you tap on your profile, you can simply scroll down, and after you scroll down for a bit, under account info, you will see close account option. Tap on close account. Now you'll be redirected to another page right here. Now as you can see, you will need to follow these steps to close the account. Tap on close account first, then you'll be prompted to sign in or verify your account. Just check the page, tap on next, and then just read and check tick on the check boxes, and yeah, you can simply delete the account after that. So let us tap on close account, and now you're redirected to another page here. Now here you can just in case you change your mind, you can simply recover your account during this very stage. Now you can choose the 30 days mark or the 60 days. Let us choose the 60-day, and after you do so, tap on next, and after you tap on next, make sure that you select all of these here. So let us do that too. Just select, and you can read all of these too. These must be the terms and conditions. So after doing this, simply select a region where you want to delete this account. Now after you do so, tap on mark account for closure, and it will get deleted permanently after 60 days. And yeah, that is basically how you delete your Xbox account permanently. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.